Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week, we've got some exciting news from Qualcomm that could change the game for Samsung fans. Qualcomm just announced their latest powerhouse chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it looks like Samsung is ready to go all in on Snapdragon for their next flagship phones. Let's dive into the details. So, we've been hearing all kinds of rumors about what Samsung would do with their upcoming Galaxy S25 and S26 models. Would they stick with their usual mix of Snapdragon and Exynos chips? Maybe throw in some MediaTek chips? Well, it looks like those rumors are about to change. According to the trusted insider, Ice Universe on Weibo, Samsung might be ditching Exynos entirely for the Galaxy S25 and S26. Instead, they're going full Snapdragon. This isn't the first time Samsung has gone all in on Snapdragon. Remember the Galaxy S23 series? It only used Snapdragon chips, and now it seems like that trend is continuing. Why is this a big deal? Well, Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite is powered by the latest Oryon cores, delivering some serious performance improvements. In fact, these chips have been outperforming Samsung's Exynos processors by a wide margin. Now, let's not forget Apple in this equation. Apple has been ruling the mobile chip market with its A-series processors. The latest A18 Pro chip, found in the iPhone 16, has been dominating benchmark tests, even beating out the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy S24. But, in real-world usage, the Galaxy S24 Ultra actually held up quite well against the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, this could be a game-changer for Samsung, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite possibly pushing performance even further. And here's the scoop: Samsung isn't using the Exynos 2500 or MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 for their base and Plus models in international markets. They're sticking with the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Elite Plus. We're also hearing that this chip could bring significant boosts to web browsing speeds and overall performance in the Galaxy S25 lineup. What do you think? Is Samsung making the right move by going all in on Snapdragon, or should they have kept a mix of chips? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.